Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Bluetooth on or off button not showing. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So there are three different methods that I will show you in this video. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on the start button, search for services, then click on it. Then once you are here, just go ahead and find the Bluetooth support services. Okay, so just go ahead and right click on it, click on properties. Now here on startup type, just go ahead and select automatic. Now click on apply, then OK. Okay, so now that should fix your problem. For the second method, we have the updating driver. So click on the start button again, then type, I'm sorry, type device manager, this one. So once you are here, what you need to do is to click on the network adapters. So click on the drop down arrow. Then you need to find this WAN mini port network monitor. Okay, so just go ahead and right click on it and click on update driver. Now select this browse my computer for drivers, then the location of it, then click on next. Okay, so the bus drivers for your device are already installed. So in this on my device, it's the this driver is now installed. Okay, so just go ahead and click on close. So now once you've done that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and check the error, and that should also fix the problem. Okay, so for the last method that I will show you is to enable and disable the driver. So here at the WAN mini port, just go ahead and right click on it, then click on disable device, then click on yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh it. Then to enable it again, right click on it and select enable device. Okay, so those are the three methods to fix the Bluetooth on and off button not showing. Okay, and that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.